So you cannot schedule a meeting and send invitations and all that stuff from Gmail. So what you need to do is you need to go to meet.google.com, and here just click on new meeting, click on schedule in calendar. This will allow you to send invites, add event to the calendar, add notifications and so on. So let's say project discussion, set the meeting title, and you can set the date, time, prompt time, so 1 hour meeting, 2 hour meeting and all that here. And you can even add a location. You can add how many minutes ago you want to send notification, or you want to send email notifications and stuff. You can add notification, so you can add both email and notification on your phone. You can invite guests, add their email address here, and you will invite the guests too. Just click on save here. Once your meeting is created, you will see it in calendar here. You can just click on it to edit it. You can just copy the link and share the link too. And if you want to invite more people, just click on this edit button and add more people here, or change timings. So this is how easily you can add Google Meet to Google Calendar, or event, or schedule Google Meet, or invite people and so on. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.